This lady is trending because she broke her waist while deadlifting 90 kilograms. The question is, why are you deadlifting something more than half of your body weight? You don't need to deadlift anything more than half of your body weight. Your body is not built for it. You are challenging nature and you will always lose. There is no physical activity that needs you to deadlift more than half of your body weight. Nothing. Especially in this modern age. If you want to be strong, you should do something called calisthenics, which is basically using your body weight as your own weight. So for instance, press up, you are using your body weight as your weight. Squatting. Even squatting, you should do squatting with what? With sense. Otherwise, you break your knees. Some gym accidents stay with you for life. I know an uncle that when he was running, when he was young, he hit his thigh against a tree. It's a tree stump, all right? That was a branch that was hanging out the road. He broke his thigh bone there. Do you know that when he was old, we're talking about 60, 70, that pain returned. Probably what later killed himself. When he was 60, 70, the body was weak. That damage from when he was a teenager returned. Not to talk of when you break your waist. Go you bow down. Some of them, they buy themselves just from waist pain. Herniated disc. Anything that will break your waist, just avoid it because you need your waist for life. Even to sit down. Let's say you are crippled. Crippled people still need their waist. Waist pain is like the worst pain in the world. In terms of there's no way you want to stay that you don't need your waist, even if you're lying down. Go and look at people that damage their waist. Why are you deadlifting? Why are you deadlifting something higher, heavier than your half of your body weight? If you're weighing 70 kg, nothing on earth should make you deadlift more than 35 kg. They call it ego lifting. Some people think that by tying that waist belt, if you tie that waist belt on your waist, that somehow it's protecting. It's not protecting nothing. Your bone is still working. You are still overstressing your muscles. You see what my camera just did? That's what your bones will do if you overstress it. Even your knee. If I start showing you, I can't show gym accidents on TikTok. Many people in the gym have accidents. The only thing is that you don't see it because once it happens, they will be out of service. They will not come to gym again. So all the people you are seeing in the gym all the time are the healthy ones who have not broken their waist yet. If your waist break, think of what the treatment is. There's no treatment. You understand? At the point, they will tell you that they want to do surgery. So they will open your back and put screws. They will put metal like this where your waist is and screw it as if you're a plank. Now tell me how you're going to live without pain if there are screws behind you, metal screws in your back. Because what? You want to deadlift? Why are you deadlifting something? Let me tell you, you don't need it. Especially as a woman, you don't need upper body muscles as a woman. To do what? Wait till you they carry. It's for men that want chest. You understand? Because men are not naturally built that way. You can make your muscles stronger by deadlifting some extra weight. But as a woman, once your upper body like this don't get muscle, you don't become like man. They're going to avoid you. You're going to work out like robot, like who they want to go carry something. Your shoulder will change. You understand? If a woman, you need to be, any exercise you're doing in the gym, 90%, 99% should be from your belly down. Once you don't do belly, sit-ups, do nyash, expanding exercise, all those squatting, do leg, you're good. Every other thing is just like stretching. You don't need to have biceps and triceps as a woman. Waiting they carry you go that side. Gym accidents are so much. Some people think that they are safe if you have a spotter behind you. When you're deadlifting, you now have somebody behind you standing. The person cannot save you. If your leg do pam, that person cannot save. That weight is coming down on you. Do you know how many people have died because of that weight? What thing they do, safe? I know there are people that are going for all these weightlifting competitions. Let me ask you, what is the price? Is it worth you breaking your bone? Person do weightlifting competition, they give them 25,000 naira winner. Second runner up 20,000. Weightlifting. Imagine in the process of winning 25,000 naira, you break your waist. Can it repair your waist? Even 5 million naira, can it repair your waist? Do you understand? Second one that many people don't know, let me tell you, listen, you have to share this video because people are going, people they don't buy. Second one that many people don't know is that all those gym, what do you call it? All those gym supplements, you don't need it to exercise. Those supplements, they force your kidneys to work in a different way, an unnatural way, to give you muscles, to force water to your muscles to retain water and look big and look chiseled out, and give you superhuman strength. You understand? So when you're having that strength to carry all those heavy distance, it's your kidney that the whole work started with your kidney. Those supplements make your kidney work in an unnatural way to provide extra strength to your muscles. Now you are bigger, you are heavier, you are now looking jacked up. Brother, that kidney is packing up. One day you go hear from your doctor, I am sorry. The worst message in the whole world. You understand? You sick small, you go hospital, they scan you, you know. Doctor comes with one sheet of paper like this. Say, doctor, what's it? Say, I'm sorry. That I'm sorry. You know how much it will cost you? I'm sorry from doctor. You know how much it costs? First of all, you have to be on queue waiting for kidney transplant. Till you get a matching kidney. You now pay. If they tell you price, you go sell all your land, all your brother's land, all your sister's land. You go sell all your property to afford it. Finally, when you afford it, they now transfer the kidney. Your body can reject it. Allah no reach your side. One musician in Nigeria like that. His body rejected the kidney by OGB. Shebi is OJB or OGB. Get by. After he don't do the whole thing, spend all the money. His body said this is a foreign object. Bye. Is that where you want to go to because you are drinking gym? All those supplements are going straight to your kidney. Now, RIP, you they do yourself. You want to keep fit. Now you are keeping 6 feet. Who want to keep fit? They keep 6 feet. Use your sense. Some of them, let me tell you the thing. These are products. People are marketing the product. And people marketing these products, they are marketing it from an angle of they dominate the media. So if you now go online and take that product and type, does this damage kidneys? The first thing you will see is no. Even AI will start defending it. But if you're a medical professional, you can drill deep into how it works. You see that it's damaging your kidney. Some of them will start causing you hair loss because it jacks up your testosterone. Start causing you hair loss. I've said this thing so many times that I no longer pity people that have gym accidents. I just use them the joke now because I don't say, how can you go to the gym and you're carrying something heavier than you? Now you get the problem past the whole world. Problem where you carry other people's matter where you carry for chest, no reach you. Now to go gym, go carry extra. I wanted to put this lady's name, but I don't think she would like what I'm saying here. So that's why I didn't put her name. I would have said you guys should go and follow her. So if you're the lady watching, sorry, that's why I did not put your name. But every other lady, anything passing calisthenics, stretching, squatting, using your body weight, raising your leg, raising your arm, you have to be careful from then on. Jogging, road walk. These are exercises you can do. Jumping jack, jumping jane, whatever. These are calisthenic related exercises. Once you don't pass that level, you don't enter danger zone. It's not natural for a human being to look like this. Any human being looking this ripped, this kind of muscle, or even more, it's not natural. Their kidney is overworking. You understand? So if you see somebody on this, I'm telling you 99% of the time, they are on juice. They are taking something to look like this. Eventually, it's going to pay. Let me show you. This is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger has had 3 open heart surgeries, but not a heart transplant. 1997, 2020, 2018, 2020. You see? In 2024, he revealed he had a pacemaker due to scar issue. So this is now 4. That's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Why is he still alive? He was ex-governor of California. He has enough money to get himself the best medical treatment in the world. That's why he's still alive. Apart from that, info don't buy sense. So you now, do you have enough money to take care of your organs when it's failing? Look at this. This guy, Flex Wheeler, is a weightlifter that has won the most awards from Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger has a So Flex Wheeler, guess how many surgeries he has had? Over 500 or 600 surgeries in the last 20 years. Doctors have opened his body over 500 to 600 times just to keep him alive. Picture it. That means in a month he's having 3-4 surgeries or more times 20 years, bro. This is him saying it by himself. I've had over 200 surgeries within the last few years. Probably well over 500 or 600 surgeries in the last 20 years. I can't tell you the different opiates I've taken. Everything from fentanyl, you name it, they have worked. They have never worked. This is for pain. He's in constant pain that he has to take so many pain medications. He says it's not working. He has now switched to herbs. He's now using, plant-based herbal remedy. He's now using a native doctor like me. He no longer has legs. Look at Flex Wheeler has suffered from countless surgeries over the years. One of the surgeries even cost him one of his legs. Guess what he had? According to Wikipedia, after becoming the first bodybuilder with rare kidney disease to host most of Arnold Classic wins. This is Flex Wheeler. The kind of kidney disease he developed is now a rare one. If you're doing exercise, you don't need to take anything. If you have ever prepared for something like a competition, like martial arts competition, your coaches will even encourage you to learn how not to drink water during that exercise so that your body can burn fat properly. Of course, if you're a new starter, you have to be drinking water so that you'll not be dehydrated. But once you're getting into elite level, we're talking about black belt, you do all your exercise without drinking water. When you get home, you drink water. You understand? But as a start, you carry water by your side. You understand? You just learn it by drinking less and less till the point that you don't need water. This is Arnold Schwarzenegger himself. He's saying, Arnold Schwarzenegger has spoken about the history of drug use, with the actor encouraging bodybuilders not to use steroids. Do you know that some people have to inject their muscles? Who are you trying to look good for? If you do normal exercise, you look fit. Your muscles, the muscles you use most during the exercise, will grow bigger. Drinking too much water, not water, but too much, is bad during exercise. While staying hydrated during exercise is generally crucial, drinking too much water can be dangerous. Overhydration, particularly with plain water, can dilute the body's sodium levels. This is salt levels, right? Leading to a condition called exercise-associated hyponatremia. This can cause symptoms ranging from mild nausea. One day I was coming out from the gym. I saw a guy trying to sign out, and the guy collapsed. He almost collapsed into my hand. I had to catch him. Baba told me, yeah, they do that. I sat him down and was asking, like, did you drive to this place? If you drove, don't drive. Oh, you understand? He said he didn't drive. I said, okay. Did you come with somebody so that somebody will follow you home? He said he didn't come with somebody. I don't know why somebody will go to the gym. You're exercising. You get to the point where you have reached your limit. Your mind not tell you, say make you stop. Your eye turn you on, stop. To the point you want to pass out. Who are you? What kind of gym is that? You're exercising to live, not to die. You understand? Some people will go to the gym. Your gym instructor will overwork you. Don't let anybody overwork you. Once you reach that time, that place where you say your heart on the pound, tell them, "Oga, wait, make a rest. I beg. Wait, water. Drink water first. Sit down on the fan." You understand? If you feel that you are tired, go home for the day. There's another day. You don't have to do the whole exercise in one day. Especially if you are gymming to regain your stamina. If you overdo it, you can pass out. People have heart attack from gym. You over exercise, you collapse. Bye. You understand? So you mentally time your body as you're exercising. Once you don't reach that place where you say your leg, they struggle to carry you, stop. Your heart is beating too much, stop. Catch your breath. Maybe after 10 minutes of resting, you can still do a little extra. You go home. Stamina is built gradually. You don't need to take substance for it. If you take substance, you exercise more, but for what purpose? Do you know why they banned it in sports? All those substances. Do you know why it's banned in sports? Because it gives athletes an unfair advantage to the point that other athletes might want to start taking it, and then the end result is what? Health damage for everybody. That's why many bouncers are coming down with kidney disease, because to look big like this, they have to keep taking, I don't want to call the names of the supplements, but you know what I'm talking about. They keep taking it to look big so that they can maintain their job. Before you know it, here's a kidney problem. You understand? Kidney problem don't start to, and once it don't start like this, usually your kidney can work with 90 or up to 90% failure. Your kidney don't damage you 90%. You will not notice anything. You look perfectly normal. The only thing is you look puffy, or maybe you have eye bags under your eyes. You will not notice anything till last stage. It pack up, that's when you now notice something, and by that time it's too late. That's why any adult, you have to be doing regular kidney checks. In a year, you do once or twice. Maybe check whether your kidney is okay. That's how you live long, because most of the other things we eat these days can go to your kidney. Some people don't know that bleaching cream is going straight to your kidney. Some bleaching cream are banned in some countries because of kidney damage. So be careful what you have to take for your exercise. You don't have to look like Hulk. You can look fit, you don't have to look like Hulk. You understand? Anything you have to take for more than a month, be careful. You understand? Use your brain.